Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be making Jamaican curry goat. Man, now before we go any further, hit that subscribe button if you've been liking all these videos I've been posting. Now we're gonna start off with our goat meat that's been washed and drained. Add our spices. We have onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning, seasoned to the bone, Jamaican seasoning, and some allspice. Add your minced ginger, minced garlic, the scotch bonnet pepper. Now rub all those spices into the meat. Be careful if you're using your bare hands, don't touch your face. Use a glove. Now, once that all been mixed, marinate the meat overnight or at least 2 hours. Once the meat has been marinated, get your pot, get it hot. I like to use coconut oil. You can use whatever oil of your choosing. Now we're gonna toast our curry powder, or as Jamaicans say, burn our curry powder with some ginger, pimento seed, and some bay leaf. Once you burn the curry powder, add the goat meat to it. Give that a nice stir. Get it all coated in that toasted curry. Spread it out evenly as much as possible in the pot as you can. And then you're gonna cover. Let that go for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna produce its own liquid. There you go, guys. Give that the next stir. Gonna add some water to it. Make sure the water is at least warm or hot. Stir and cover again. Let that go for at least 30 to 45 minutes and then check your tenderness of your meat. Depending on how tough the meat is, you might have to go longer or pressure it if you don't have the time to wait. Now just check the tenderness. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells delicious. So the meat is tender. We're gonna add our veggies. Add your carrot, your potato. I like adding sweet pepper to mine. You don't have to, it's optional. The thyme, green onion, or scallion as we call it in Jamaica. Mix that up. Now if you see where you need a little bit more water, just add a little bit more water to it, not too much. We're not making curry soup. So if you want to adjust your water, do that. Cover again. Cook until the veggies is tender. Your potato and your carrot is tender. The gravy is going to reduce to a nice rich consistency. Thick and look good. So once you get the consistency that you like, adjust your seasoning as well. We're going to start plating some authentic Jamaican curry goat. Eat that with white rice or rice and peas. I have videos of that. Go and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button